Hello happy sailors and welcome to Sailing 101 with Jelle. Let me show you how it goes. So this is our vessel. It's a sailing boat and actually it's really simple. So let me show you. So this is it. This is where the magic happens. The engine. To start it, it's pretty simple. Make sure that the gear is in neutral because forward neutral and reverse doesn't work right now. Have this on start. Choke it a little bit because it's cold. Give it a. Oh, it's forward, I guess. Oh, not. Oh. There you go. And then when it's up and running, you gotta put the choke in. You'll put the gas. Alright. Now I'm gonna release the lines. Alright. Put it in forward. Put the gas. You know where you're going. Alright, yeah, so as you can see we're sailing right now. And this is basically it. So you have your steer. I don't use this thing, I don't know what this does. And yeah, you can feel the wind in your hair, it's amazing. I don't know, this is really impractical having such a large barrier in the middle, but you know, it's all part of the experience and being on the water.